Guys, welcome back. Konnichiwa. Herzlich willkommen. Yeah, guys, update on Mullen, ticker MULN. We had here the loser of the last trading day with minus 19%. The whole market was red, but Mullen was here at the top of minus 19%. And of course, that has technical reasons. I will show you here now the updated chart. But guys, there is some hope. There is a potential technical reaction to the upside. We could see here a small squeeze for Mullen. That's why I think it's worth it to make a video. But of course, everything what I say here is not financial advice. Yeah, before we start with the technicals, guys, first of all, what I love to see is that we have this kind of gap down here. So we see that Mullen here gapped down and we had minus 19% in one day. A very big fat red candle here, but an open up gap at 82 cents. So that means that the price should come back to this price level, but I think we have to see a little bit more downside because the technical reaction which I expect, I draw that already here in my chart a couple of weeks ago, but of course I want to show you everything here, and the drawings of course I enable also in a second. Yeah, first of all we have to know that there is a special stockholder meeting for Mullen. Yeah, guys, and they will do it again and again and again. So Mullen is an absolute worst investment for long-term holders, but we have here some swing trade potential. I mean, I'm not a friend of short selling. I do short selling, and I have to say Mullen is a stock where you can make a lot of money by short selling it. But now we come here to a very close price range where we could see also a technical reaction to the upside. Yeah, and this special meeting here of the stockholders, you can read that by yourself, but they will, of course, I think, perform a reverse stock split again. What is very funny when you see this SEC filing, this is just a screenshot, a snapshot from a part of it. Mullen was trading at above $1 or is not trading below $1 for 30 consecutive business days, but still they say, even they still have NASDAQ compliance, they already think about to perform a reverse stock split. So this is very interesting that Mullen more or less can see already the future, that the price is not able to come back above $1 by itself, so they have to perform a reverse stock split. Very interesting, and this is not not very reliable for stockholders when you see that they predict the future and think the price is not able to come back above $1. But let's be honest, guys, when we see this kind of chart here, I mean, there are no words anymore, guys. I mean, when we just see what happened here in January 2024, the price was here in the $750 to $1,000 range, split adjusted. Now we talking here about 66 cents, guys, and it is here just continuing. I don't need to zoom out here. You know the chart from Mullen. This is absolute the worst. But guys, there is some hope. There is some hope. Yeah, it may sound crazy, but we have here a very big volume spike in November. And I think it's almost time here to see some technical reaction when we see when this volume spike appeared. It's now 60 days. So guys, there is a potential that we see something happen here in January for Mullen. Yeah, small potential. I mean, when they dilute, then this might be over. But I want to show you here something in the chart. I have drawn that here already months ago. So I said that there is a high risk that Mullen gets delisted here in January or February this year. Of course, when they perform again a reverse stock split, then they might have here the NASDAQ compliance again. But also it's not only the price above $1. This is one thing what Mullen has to do. Yeah, they have to stay above $1 for 10 consecutive business days to regain compliance. As I said, they are not non-compliant yet because they don't trade below $1 for 30 consecutive business days. But we have also one problem here, because the usual market capital which a stock has to have is $35 million for 10 consecutive business days. Mullen has now $5 million, so this is also something which is not in compliance to the NASDAQ, at least when we focus here on TradingView. Yeah, before we continue, guys, here, I want to show you something really quick. So I release here every Sunday my so-called hot stock. So when you are interested in trading short squeeze stocks, then I release every Sunday here a video with some very special tickers, my finest selection of short squeeze stocks. And when I release those hot stocks on Sunday, that means that I expect those tickers to squeeze in the very few next days. You can see here some of my member feedbacks where some of my members made here more than 300% profits with a single trade. And yeah, we had also here a big squeeze One of the hot stocks squeezed here 159%. Also in the calculated squeeze date range here, the yellow window was when I expect the squeeze to happen. The blue box was where I expect the price to go before we see a squeeze, and you can see that is playing out picture perfectly. That's why I say there is also some potential for Mullen. Yeah, there is some potential to see a short squeeze, but if you also want to see some other short squeeze stocks, yeah, my finest selection, then you can join in here our trading community. The most popular membership which I have is the full package membership here on Patreon. You get a lot of benefits here if you join in, and if you want to become a part of this trading community, since we're growing every day, guys, and you click here again, you can click here the info icon in the corner to get access to the Patreon member link. So guys, Mullen. So what I expected already weeks ago, you can see my older videos here from Mullen. I said that I expect no big technical reaction until we reach 57 cents. So we are very close now, guys. This green line here is the technical level where I expect the bounce to happen. This gap down here is showing me already that the market makers left us here some hidden signals, and guys, believe it or not, Mullen has the potential as soon as we hit this price level to squeeze about 100%, because technically Mullen should come back here to $1.12. It is possible that we even come back here to $1.20, $1.25 depending here on the day. But the open gap here, guys, with the untested golden pocket shows me that Mullen has some potential to squeeze back before, of course, we continue to tank down. So this is not like I would buy here and would just hold it. It's also not financial advice, but I think for a swing trade there is some potential. So if Mullen retraces back here to 57 cents and we retest the golden pocket, this means we have a 95% squeeze potential, or even in total, in my opinion here, 100 to 117%. Yeah, that is a potential that this happens, but keep in mind Mullen will perform a reverse stock split. They have to do that very quick, because as I mentioned here, the deadline for delisting is starting here by the end of January. I think this is the reason why they also do this special stockholder meeting. And then here in that time range, you can see the red box. This is usually the time where I said already in the last year that Mullen could get delisted now, yeah, once and forever, since this stock has absolute no upside potential anymore. When this company is performing reverse stock split and diluting, this is the worst case for every investor, guys. And that's why I just can say be careful here, work with a stop loss, or think about to short Mullen. I mean, there will be a technical reaction, but after that, depending on the volume, of course, yeah, but this is in my opinion more a short play than a short squeeze play. Yeah, guys, if you want to copy the price levels here, so as I mentioned, I expect Mullen to come back down here to 57 cents. The lower it comes, the better it is. Yeah, you can see the next technical support is waiting here at 25 cents. But based on this volume spike here and based on this gap down which we have right now, I think there could be a technical reaction very, very soon. So you can of course copy the price levels here if you want. The program, what you see here, is called TradingView. This is what I use here for all my videos and all my trades. And if you want to learn trading, guys, I can really recommend that program. And you can of course save here $15 by using my discount link. When you click the info icon here, you get access to the $15 discount link for TradingView. And I recommend the premium tier. This is good for beginners and advanced traders. Guys, that was the update on Mullen. Yeah, I hope that was helpful. I'm sorry that I have not better news for you, but I think it is still worth it here to keep an eye on that and yeah, make some potential swing trades or short plays, guys. Yeah, it's your decision. And if you don't want to miss any updates here on my short squeeze plays, please hit the like and subscribe button right now. I also have a brand new Twitter X channel, so you find also my Twitter X account here, the link in the video description, guys. I thank you for watching. I wish you a great day and see you in the next video. Arigatou gozaimasu, vielen Dank, alles Gute und bis zum nächsten Video. Take care. Bye bye, guys.